The video doesn't capture the richness of this glaze. It's really quite spectacular. We make all our own glazes from raw minerals, and we're constantly experimenting. They're based on the base glazes from Mastering Cone 6 Glazes by Hesselberth and Roy, two potter scientists who spent a long time testing and creating stable, food-safe glazes. They provide the base, and then you can experiment with that with colorants. And they provide guidelines for what percentage of colorants to use so as not to become unstable or not food safe. We follow those guidelines, and we still come up with many beautiful glazes. This is a superb fountain. Lovely stream, no splash, gentle sounds. Available at thirstycatfountains.com.